VIVO V7 Smartphones 2017. Price, $422. Global release date, 2017, December. Operating system, Android 7.1.2, Nougat. Display, 5.7-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. Resolution, 720 by 1440 pixels. Processor, 1.8 GHz octa-core. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. GPU, Adreno 506. Primary camera, 16 megapixel, autofocus, LED flash. Front camera, 24 megapixel, 1080 HD. Camera features, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR. Video, 1080 HD. RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 32 GB. Battery, 3000 mAh. Non-removable battery. Sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, compass. Network support, 2G, 3G, 4G. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos.